We will be learning how to deal with or how to work with addition word problems. We're going to look at the keywords that indicate an addition in a word problem, look at the steps for solving word problems, and then we're going to walk through some examples. The following keywords, these are the keywords that identify addition in a word problem. You have words like add, you have words like altogether, you have spend, both, total. You also have a word like sum. Sum also indicates an addition. Total indicates an addition. Combined indicates an addition. Plus. So these are some of the important keywords that indicate an addition. And the steps for solving these word problems, we need to first indicate what we know, what we don't know, what the question, and when we say what we don't know, we're looking at what the question is asking us to solve, and identify any keyword that indicates addition, and then we'll perform the addition. So the first question, Benjamin has 24 apples, Donald has 69 apples. How many apples are there if they both combined their apples? So what do we know? Let's start from that. What do we know? We know Benjamin's apples. We know Benjamin's apples. We also know Donald's apples. And what do we not know? So what we don't know is the number they have together. So we don't know the number of combined apples. So now let's see, is there a keyword here that leads us to addition? Combined leads us to addition. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add 24 and 69. So 24 apples, 69 apples, we add them together. So 4 plus 9, we have 13. So we write a 3 and carry a 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 6, 9. So we have 93 apples. So we can say all together, they have 93 apples. Next question. Tom grew 18 carrots, Jessica grew 38 carrots, and Mary grew 41 carrots. They worked for 27 days on the farm. How many carrots did they grow in total? So let's start with what we know. What do we know? Tom's carrot, Jessica's carrots, Mary's carrot. And we know how many days they worked on the farm. Days worked on the farm. So what do we need to know, or what do we not know? Total number of carrots. So now what we need to figure out is what keyword leads us to an addition or to a mathematical operation. Here it says, how many did they grow in total? So we're going to add these numbers together. So we have 18 carrots, 38 carrots, and 41 carrots. So you may ask, what about 27? 27 is the number of days they worked on the farm. It has no relationship with the carrots in question. It has no relationship with the unknown, which is the total number of carrots. So that's why we're going to ignore it when we add. So we have 8 plus 8, that's 16 plus 1, 17. So we put a 7 here, we carry a 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So we have 97 carrots in total. So 97 carrots in total. Final example. There are 12 oak trees currently in the park. Park workers will plant 23 more oak trees today and 18 more oak trees tomorrow. How many oak trees will the park have when the workers are finished? Okay, so let's look at that. What do we know? Okay, current number of oak trees. Okay, number planted today, and then number planted tomorrow. Okay, so what do we not know? We don't know the total number of oak trees. Total number of oak trees. Now this is a tricky one because it requires some imagination. So here you're seeing a situation where you have 12 oak trees already. Now you have 23 that are going to be added today, and then tomorrow 18 are going to be added again. But you want to find out how many oak trees will there be when everything has been done. So you can see that's almost like saying how many would you have all together or in total. So we're going to add those numbers together. So we have 12 oak trees. We have 23 oak trees. And then we have 18 oak trees. Now we're going to add this together. 2 plus 3, 5, plus 8, 13. We put a 3, bring up a 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So we have 53 oak trees.